Hi everybody! Look at what we're having today. So we're gonna be having lax fish today. Let's cook. We're pairing it with rice. My rice is already cooked. When I was busy and I just like let me quickly cook my rice down. We're pairing it with rice and spinach sauce. Let's go. So here is our spinach. We're having three parts. Three parts. First of all, we're gonna be washing our fish. We're also having tomatoes, some cherry tomatoes that I'm gonna be pairing it with. So I'm trying to make so that tomorrow afternoon I don't have to cook for us again. Look at that. Okay, so let's combine. Let's use this. I'm gonna be well seasoning this fish, like very well seasoned. So let's work on the season now. So we have the method, and we're gonna be having our Italian herbs.
Alright. Italian herbs.
Well, you don't know what black pepper is?
What?
You was cook.
I was looking for here like a black pepper.
So you look from here like a black pepper.
Yeah, wow.
I bet it's not a cook at all.
No.
When daddies do to assemble things together, he will only boil pasta and tomatoes for you. Might be having chili flakes. Found what I was looking for, chili flakes. It'll come in there. Okay. Here is ginger paste, garlic, we're going to add a little bit of vegetable bouillon. And on this recipe, we're going to add curry to it. Curry is being refused. Hey, you're back. How was the football?
God,
Oh,
I
okay.
was the only one from my team who have shot the goal. Are the bones inside?
No, it's not.
Ah, yes.
There we go.
Ah, that's why it's always in this with this flavor and here's brown.
Now we're going to massage it gently into our fish. Listen, one good thing is you can do this even a day before and let it rest in the fridge. You let it rest in the fridge to the next day, so all that new sauce can penetrate inside the fish and it will nourish the fish. And you have nothing. When I said nothing to worry about. You can also let it rest for like 30 minutes before applying it into the oven to bake. And when you want to apply it in the fridge, then you should reduce your salt. I know the intake. Anyway, everybody have a way of cooking with salt. Everybody doesn't cook the same. So you're going to place it in the oven.